Previously, it was reported that Kawasaki was launching new 750cc sport bike to replace the Ninja ZX-750R in the near future. Recently, it seems that the information that the Ninja ZX-750R will be replaced is no longer true, as the Kawasaki company has announced that the ZX-750R will continue to be produced in 2023. But Kawasaki will still launch a new sport bike model to compete with rivals like the Yamaha R7 and the upcoming Honda CBR 750RR and BMW S750RR. Previously, many thought that the new sport bike of Kawasaki would be equipped with a 700cc engine. But recently, there has been some leaked information from Kawasaki's internals that the upcoming one will be a 750cc sport bike, not 700cc. Thus, it is likely the name of this new sport bike is Kawasaki Ninja ZX-75R or Ninja ZX-750R because it carries the 750cc engine, so the name ZX-7R will certainly not suit it. There is currently no exact information on whether the ZX-75R will be equipped with a 2-cylinder or 4-cylinder engine, but it will likely be equipped with a 2-cylinder engine. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and like, share this video. Thank you and see you.